Now, as we proposed the movable bridge, this movable bridge is going to work on Sierra J aircraft to just to bridge between the aircraft and the carrying truck. As you see here, this is what we proposed and this is what we manufactured. The dimensions, as you see here, is 100 centimeters, as repeated in the video. So 200 centimeters. 200 centimeters, as you see here. The other gap is as we mentioned. This one prevents the caused by the aircraft. Parking free, well, sofa as well, stabilizer mounted in place. Intense reflectors, as we told you. This one will provide the reflection light during the night. So, prevent them going beacon light during the operation. During operation, the beacon light will indicate that the operation. This one is solar controlled light. It only switch on automatic during the night. Here we get a here we have a control box where operations are made. Switch on, switch light on, lift the platform up, push down, dig during night. Working time, this light helps you. Here we have chokes. These chokes, they work in cooperation with the parking bridge. During the operation, choke. This part here is in the blocker side. When they put the blocker in place, you deploy this side in the blocker. As you see, this is the other side. Deploy this in the aircraft and it is adjusted, whereby you park near the aircraft. You can adjust depends on access door. You can adjust the left, right, left, right. It depends on the access door. So avoid damage. Yeah. Now I'm going to operate a little bit because I've already applied the chokes. During the door process, pull this one down, this button bridge. As I told you, it can be told by human. See the camera. Can be told by human. When you're done with the drawing, as you put the lever back in its place, it automatically pulls. As you put this top back in place, it automatically pulls the back in place. There is the back in place. Then send to operation. This door was designed not to go in the other side because accidentally you might be operating and you trying to lean. If it open, go in the other side. When you lean, that can cause an accident. So that's why it is not going that side, you go this side. When you go this side, now time for operation. When you lifting the platform, automatically the stabilizer first move down and they stabilize the equipment. When they reach down, we design the proximity sensor. When it reaches down, it informs the control box that the stabilizers are down, then the platform starts getting down in this way. You see the stabilizer deploying. If they are fully deployed, then the platform starts getting down. It has a limited sensors where when it reaches maximum speed, it stops. So let me try to put the maximum. This is the maximum height to reach. Then it stops. Even if you keep on pressing, when it reaches its maximum height, it just stops automatically. So during the retracting down or putting down the platform, when it reaches down the chassis, then it informs the control box that the platform is down. Then it pulls, it reflects back there. Assume that is the CRB height, you can deploy. If the door is not aligned in a grid direction, you can add here. Depending on where the CRB is. And will be this kind. And this side of the track, as you see here, side of the track, it is not adjustable because the tracker access through is wide. It's wide enough, you don't need to adjust it. Just put okay there. After operating, lock. This side, lock the bridge. When you lock, it will stop there like this. Now it's time to remove the tubes. Remove the tube, back the shoe. Yeah, remove the tubes, back at the shoe. This one remove, back the shoe. Now then go. During the toe process, remove the topper, remove the backing brake. In and be to see come out. Shafiq. Directly control by hand. That's one. It is the topper at the same time it works as a steering. It is not as if as you see it can be pulled. Backing brake into the topper. Okay. It was done by Magez Automotive. As you saw, that's our very